Hi guys, it's Friday night. Come here, Wolf. Where'd you go? Sit. Come here. Come here. Get down. Sit. Sit. Are you a good doggy? Huh? You want us? Okay. You're a good puppy. It's just me and Wolfy. I'm gonna start working on the house again. I haven't been able to do much. Hey, sit. Speak. Do you want us? Wolf? Are you a good puppy? Yeah. You got a big bark. Here. So we got some goodies today. She ate her dog food so fast, I can't believe it. You're a little horse. You're a little horse. It's probably about 90 pounds. Get bigger and bigger. Sit. Sit. She can pull me over without any trouble. Unless I'm really ready. Are you a good puppy? Want some cake? I got a little plate of cake and stuff, and she loves blueberry cake. She just gets little nibbles. So I hope everyone had a good day. Wolf, can you speak? Hey, can you speak? Huh? Are you a good doggy? Are you sure? Do you want this? Hey, Jaws. Do you want this? Are you being good? Hey, sit. Sit up nice. Come on. Sit up nice. Sit up nice. Okay. You're good, doggy. All right, everyone have a great weekend.